Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar aí, ganhar. Hoje eu tenho quanto? 10, 16, mais 5, 15, 20 euros? Ou não? 5, 5 mais 5, 15, mais 6, 21. 23 euro. Am I right? 23 euro? 5, 10, 15, 6, 21, 23 euro session, 23 euro. Sessão de 23 euro. Vamos começar, let's start. Start with this Tribo Mágico. 3 like prices. And the other chance, 2 like prices. With this symbol, we win double the price shown. At ticket number 69 to 73. Tenho o número 69 a 72. 24, 20, 10, 10. Hey, come on, give me your symbol. Jesus, no. 69. 2, 2. 1000. Ay, 2 euro. Not bad. So I won 2 euro, guys. 3 like prices. Okay, I won 2 euro. 10, 100, 50, 500, 10, 100, no. 71, 72, 500, 4, 50, 2, 500, of course not. €1. I expect another €1 at least. This, €1. Not even €1, not even €1. So I got only one win, guys. €2. Let's go to Grande Sorte, matching numbers. We're looking for 14, 16, 24, 23, 14. Winner, 11, 30. Ay, two matches. 2 matches. How much? Sure. It could be 50, 50, 500, 500. Of course, it give me the lowest price available in this world. So I got €4 plus €2. I got €6 so far. Now let's go to Ruby. Okay. I ticket number 24, 25, 24, 25. Matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol 7 times the price shown, the symbol is a win all. And the bonus, we're looking for Strela or Star. 24. Now, we're looking for 28, 23, 16, 14, 29, 36, 13, 41, 15, 24, 44, 11, 30, 26, 22, 23, 21, 31, 25, 42, not a winner. Let's hope this is a winner. Strela, no. We're looking for 38, 34, 19, 11. And give me 45, 26, 44, 42, 12, 22, 21, 33, 25, I only need 30 and 14, 43 backwards, 18, 28, no, 39, 30. Oh Lord, there's no win. Okay, so far I have 8. I have Puti de Mel, 26, 27. Okay. Oh, look, 8. 8 is set in Portuguese números. Is set 8, 26, 2, 26, 27, 57, 27, 57, 46, 51, 46, 50 ohm, where's 50 here? 50, 43 set, 43 set, 39, 49, 49, I need 59 to win 5, 16, 59, ay, I win 5, not bad, not bad guys, give me one more win, 53, 53, I don't have chance to win more, 59, 28, 28, 54, C. Okay, C is 5 euro. Okay, so this is a 5 euro win, guys. So I got 4, 6, and 5. So I have 12 out of 23 euro session. Not so bad. Okay, so I got a win here, but only 5 euro. Maybe I miss numbers, but I know C is 5 euro. So it doesn't matter if I miss numbers because I memorized the lottery code. Okay, let's hope this is also a winner. 58, 43, 58, 33, 22, 38, 38, 22, shit, where is it? 22, 26 ohm, 26, 24, 27, 27, 24, 42 19, 42, 19, 41, 23, 41, 23, 16, 16, 32, 60. It seems like it's not a winner. It's far from reality, guys. 48. Two numbers. 54. If only one chance to win. If I uncover 4, but they give me 9. There's no 33, right? No 33 to win. Okay. So this is not a winner. Okay, so, oh Jesus, how much I spent? I spent 23. And I won 5. The minimum you can find, guys. 5, 4, no, 2, 11. Okay, so 12 euro, 2 song para Santa Casa. 12 euro donation to Santa Casa, guys. Okay, so I give 12 euro donation to Santa Casa. Look at how much I won, guys. The very minimum you can imagine. Okay, so 5 más 4 más 2. Okay, so I got the minimum price. At least not bad, guys. I won 11 out of 23. 12 euro donation. 12 euro doação para Santa Casa. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.